go. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You're gonna be like, whoa, it works, trust me. Let's go. Hey guys, so if you time your life with Pokemon TCG Pocket and your life is all about Pokemon TCG Pocket, well then today I have news. I have a video for Pokemon TCG Pocket and it's gonna be free Pokegold. So how does that sound? To me, it sounds very interesting. So I'm gonna open it up, and as you can see, it says right here I got 2,800. Press the unlock Pokegolds. We're gonna turn that on, and now it should start increasing. So I just turned it on. So let's see if our Pokegold goes up. So you can see at the moment what we're working with. So hopefully we do see an increase on the Pokemon TCG Pocket. So let's see what happens. And as you can see, guys, it went up like crazy. So I'm going to show you how to download this so you can get it for free. No jailbreak and no computer involved in this video. So it's going to be strictly people that are on mobile devices. So the first thing we have to do is type matrixmods.com. This is the website. So come over here, look for it, and as you can see, there it is, Pokemon TCG Pocket. So press on it and you can see it says Pokemon is a classic card game but online. So press download, and now the next step is going to be the verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps from the App Store 100% for free, and this will install the Pokemon TCG Pocket mod into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so at the end, guys, it's going to say missing files. You're almost there. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So I don't really care what you do, but make sure you do 2 of them, and if you press help, there's a video you can watch. So as you can see, like Lucky Match says reach level 13, so it's a game, so I could go ahead and do that, or I could do a different one. So just make sure you do 2 of them. There will be different ones for different countries, so don't despair if the apps you see are different than me, but that's totally normal. So yeah, that's how I get Pokemon TCG Pocket hack for your device. So if you're broke on Pokemon TCG Pocket, be sure to try us out. It is legit, and I've always wanted to help people, so I feel like a lot of people don't know about this mod, which is why I made the video, so you guys can learn how to get free Pokegolds. And it is legit, so you can see the button right here, all the modded settings. There is going to be some other things in here as well, like I don't really know much about this, but you can read them here. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. As you can see, one thing is you can go to turn on background refresh, so just go to settings and then turn it on. So yeah, this is super crazy, so definitely go ahead and try it out. Peace out.